Tarragon is one of my favourite herbs that I feel not enough people cook with, purely because it doesn't get showcased enough. You either love it or hate it due to its subtle licorice flavour. Last Supper Club, I partnered up with Del Verde Pasta to cook attendees two styles of pasta dishes, one of which was this zucchini, garlic and tarragon fettuccine. I saw these gorgeous zucchini flowers at the fruit and veg grocer and I had to get them, but if you can't find them or get your hands on them, just leave it out of the recipe because this fettuccine has sliced zucchini, leek, a ton of fresh garlic, chili is optional, fresh tarragon, salt, pepper, the fettuccine pasta and grated pecorino cheese with a little bit of that pasta water to create a creamy consistency. Everyone loved it on the table, even the carnivore men. Highly recommended it. I hope you give it a go. It is a very quick and easy, simple fettuccine recipe for those that don't like cream but want a bit of a creamy consistency. Give this a try and let me know what you think. Share with a friend.